Ladies and gentlemen, you get some great occasions doing this job, but none greater than this one. A hero of ours fell ill 7 weeks ago today. His chance of survival, you won't mind me telling you, wasn't the greatest. He's a fighter, he's a 1972 League Cup final winner. He is our very own Terry Conroy. TC, it's a pleasure to welcome you back to the Britannia Stadium. Talk us through how you're feeling. A lot's happened in the weeks you've been away. We're in an FA Cup final. How have you been doing? It's so glad to see you back.
Well, the progress is fantastic, Steve. And I must say, I've got this opportunity now to thank everybody, all the supporters, everybody from Ireland, Scotland, Wales, Europe, and different places as well, for all the goodwill messages they sent me. And I can't believe the outpouring of kind of goodwill that I have. So many, many thanks to everybody.
Terry, I've got to ask the question, where did you watch the semi-final and what did you think?
Well, I was under strict instructions from the doctor not to get excited, but after the third goal went in, I was very, very calm like everybody else. So I mean, let's hope that next Saturday I'm in the same position after 3 goals when we're stuck in Manchester City.
Terry, you're joining us next week at Wembley. You've got some arrangements, you're definitely going to be at Wembley next week, aren't you? Doctor says or doctor says no?
Yeah, the doctor said, look, it's set you an 8-week period, Terry, and you're that time, and that coincides with going to Wembley. Well, so be it. So next Sunday,